Jay is your English coach. So let's practice together. A short story. Do you know what I want you to do? Just shadow. All right? Repeat after me. If you want to improve your pronunciation, your understanding, okay, just repeat after me. It's a short story time for shadowing. That's all. All right? Are you ready? Let's go together. All right, story time. The small dream. You can now repeat after me, okay? The small dream. This is the title. The small dream. Let's go. When I was young, I had a small dream. When I was young, I had a small dream. I wanted to speak English fluently. I wanted to speak English fluently. Perfect. At first, it was difficult. At first, it was difficult. Good job. I did not understand many words. I did not understand many words. Perfect. But I did not give up. I did not give up. Good. Every day I listened to short audio lessons. Every day I listened to short audio lessons. Go on. Great job. I repeated the sentences again and again. I repeated the sentences again and again. Ooh, perfect. Good pronunciation. Slowly, my pronunciation became better. Slowly, my pronunciation became better. Perfect. One day, I spoke confidently with a foreigner. One day, I spoke confidently with a foreigner. Well done. That day, I felt proud of myself. That day, I felt proud of myself. Good job. Now, I know that small practice brings big results. Now, I know that small practice brings big results. Very good, very good. Now keep repeating. Listen and listen, okay? Again and again, all right? Keep practicing, all right? You did great. I'm very proud of you guys, all right? So if you want more, let me know in the comment section, okay? See you next for a new challenge. Goodbye, guys.